Hello everyone, this is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager, and these are the release notes for GrabCAD Print 1.36. Introducing the Digital Anatomy Printer. GrabCAD Print now supports the new J750 Digital Anatomy 3D printer. The printer comes pre-programmed with a series of anatomical applications, developed in partnership with medical device manufacturers, world-class research institutions, hospitals, and medical personnel. Accurate, realistic, and functional, you can achieve the feel, behavior, and dimensions of the real thing. Be sure to contact your reseller to learn more. Introducing the J850 and J835. GrabCAD Print now supports the new J850 and J835 printers. Design and creativity have no limits. Now with the Stratasys J850 and J835, the same is true for prototypes. Our tried and tested technology simplifies the entire design process, streamlining workflows so you can spend more time on what matters, creating, refining, and designing the best product possible. Be sure to contact your reseller to learn more. Selected models can now be grouped to print as a single object. Selected models can now be grouped via a new button at the top of the project panel or a right mouse button command. When a new group is created, this will collapse and hide the existing assembly. The new group can be set to assembled or disassembled. Additional groups may be created from the original assembly. Show assembly structure for VRML and OBJ files. There is a new option in the PolyJet Advanced Slicer settings. With this option enabled, GrabCAD Print determines the geometric structure of VRML or OBJ files and displays the structure as an assembly of bodies in the project panel. Each body may be multicolored, i.e., textured, vertex colored, face colored, or composed of multiple different colored sheets, or single colored, i.e., all sheets in the body share a single diffuse color. The user can change material assignments for any single colored body within such an assembly. Transparency inherited from SolidWorks bodies. When importing a SolidWorks file, transparency attributes attached to the SolidWorks bodies are converted automatically to alpha values in GrabCAD Print. Update FDM Material licenses. Some Fortis and Stratasys printers license the material that may be used for them. Material licenses may be updated from GrabCAD Print by putting the printer in maintenance or upgrade mode and selecting the new option on the settings page for printer details. For printers like the Fortis 450MC, select the Update License File action and browse to the license file. Select the license file, then click Open on the file browser to send the license update to the printer. For printers like the Fortis 400MC, select the Setup Code action from the Settings panel and enter your 16-character code in the pop-up panel. Select Update Printer to set the code to the printer. To complete the update, accept the license update at the printer and exit maintenance/upgrade mode. Updating a material license requires a user to have local administrative privileges. Improve project panel layout. The project panel has been restyled to improve usability. Tangent Select available for faces. Tangent selection of faces is now available as a right mouse button command when the print is in face selection mode. A tangent is a plane that touches a curve or curved surface at a point. GrabCAD Print will select the corresponding faces to that tangent. You are also able to leave notes on tangents. Manufacturing notes in print for FDM and PolyJet on bodies and faces. Bodies and faces can now have annotations added to them. This is available for FDM and PolyJet. The command to add a note is available on the right mouse button. This adds a callout which can be activated by clicking to show the note and allow it to be edited. Release of the VeroUltraClear for J850 and J835. GrabCAD Print now supports the new VeroUltraClear Material. VeroUltraClear simulates acrylic, achieving 95% light transmission of that material and is useful for prototypes for glass, clear polymers, or transparent packaging. New FDM Materials. ABS ESD7 is now supported on the Stratasys F370 printer for GrabCAD Print. ABS ESD7 is a tooling material designed for static-sensitive applications to prevent discharge or attraction to other materials like powders, dust, or fine particles. And just a quick reminder of end support for GrabCAD Print applications on Windows 7. GrabCAD applications such as GrabCAD Print and Companion Insight and GrabCAD Print Server will no longer be supported on Windows 7 once Microsoft ends support for the operating system in January 2020. And that is all what we have for you today in GrabCAD Print 1.36. My name is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager. Thank you so much for watching.